Hello, children. So today again, I'm here with a few MCQs for you. Okay, let's have a practice paper. Actually, I have got today. So let's have a quick revision of the two chapters. Okay, natural vegetation and the water resources. Right? आप लोगों को दो चैप्टर्स के MCQs के साथ में मैं यहाँ पर प्रैक्टिस कराने जा रही हूँ एंड इफ you are well prepared with these two chapters, आपके लिए ये MCQs एक अच्छा रिवीजन हो जाएगा, एक MCQs के थ्रू अच्छा रिवीजन हो जाएगा. अच्छा, और एक चीज, as you proceed further, you'll find the MCQs don't see the answers first. Okay, try to answer by yourself. So that will make you more perfect, more confident in that case. Okay. आप बोर्ड एग्जाम में आप देखोगे एमसीक्यूज. अब इस जो नया पैटर्न हमारा आ रहा है बोर्ड्स का पेपर, उसमें एमसीक्यूज भी आने वाले हैं 10 मार्क्स के. सो एमसीक्यूज के लिए आपको जरूरी है एक प्रॉपर रिवीजन, राइट, ऑफ ईच चैप्टर शुड बी डन. नॉट ओनली द इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक्स, उसको आप मतलब जैसे चैप्टर्स आप जब पढ़ रहे हो तो चैप्टर्स की प्रॉपर रीडिंग होनी चाहिए. ओके, तो ट्राई टू डू दैट. एंड जो उसमें कमी रह जा रही है वो हम इससे पूरा कर देंगे. ठीक है? Okay, so let's start with it without wasting any time now. Natural vegetation, first of all. The first chapter we are going to discuss here is the natural vegetation. Natural vegetation में the different type of vegetations you have to study which are found in India. Okay, अब यहाँ पर questions हमें क्या मिल रहे हैं आप देखो. First question is, it is used for making railway sleepers, furniture and are found in the parts of West Bengal, Andaman Nicobar Islands. तो ये कौन सा टाइप का नेचुरल वेजिटेशन है आप बता सकते हो? ये है एक्चुअली द वेजिटेशन विच इज फाउंड इन हेवी रेनफॉल एरियाज. ओके, वेरी हेवी रेनफॉल एरियाज. तो ये इस वेजिटेशन टाइप को हम बोलते हैं ट्रॉपिकल एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट या रेन फॉरेस्ट. ठीक है. अच्छा, इन स्टेट्स में वेस्ट बंगाल है या अंडमान निकोबार आइलैंड्स हैं, वहां पर ये मेनली ट्रीज पाए जाते हैं जिनका वुड यूज किया जाता है फॉर रेलवे स्लीपर्स एंड ऑल. द एग्जांपल इज गर्जन. ओके, गर्जन इज द बेस्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ इट. क्लियर? अच्छा, नेक्स्ट इज दिस टाइप ऑफ फॉरेस्ट ग्रोज इन एरियाज विद एन एवरेज टेम्परेचर ऑफ 27 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड्स. अब इसमें आप क्या लिख सकते हो? 27 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड्स के साथ में ये जो वेजिटेशन है ये मिलता है. बट along with that you should keep in mind that in India we are getting all these na tropical monsoon forest, tropical rain forest, mangrove forest, desert, semi desert, all. बट यहाँ पर जो है करेक्ट आंसर होगा आपका ट्रॉपिकल मॉनसून टाइप फॉरेस्ट. ओके, right now they are also called the rainforest. Rainforest किसको बोलते हैं? ट्रॉपिकल एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट को. ओके, थर्ड क्वेश्चन ये हमारा है. राइट नाउ सो डी ऑप्शन विल बी द करेक्ट वन. अच्छा, फोर्थ क्वेश्चन है, दिस टाइप ऑफ फॉरेस्ट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड ट्रॉपिकल मॉनसून फॉरेस्ट. ट्रॉपिकल मॉनसून फॉरेस्ट नाम से हम कौन से फॉरेस्ट को बोलते हैं या कौन से वेजिटेशन टाइप को हम यहाँ पर बोलते हैं? दैट इज एक्चुअली डेसिडियस टाइप. ओके, तो यहाँ पर आप देखोगे डेसिडियस टाइप इज द फोर्थ ऑप्शन, दैट इज डी. डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस. ठीक है. अच्छा, फॉरेस्ट दैट कवर्स द मैक्सिमम एरिया ऑफ इंडिया, अगेन इट्स द सेम. ओके, ट्रॉपिकल मॉनसून टाइप फॉरेस्ट जो है वो इंडिया में मेजर पार्ट जो है वो कवर करता है. And that's why this is going to be the correct answer for it. That is, A option is the correct answer, right? Next question is, the fruit of this tree is used for tanning leather and for dyeing purposes. Dyeing means it has color within it. Okay, तो यहाँ पर कौन सा ट्री यहाँ पर आप बोलोगे? इसका आंसर कौन सा करेक्ट होगा इन चारों में से? पलास, बेर, आमला एंड मोरिबलान. Moravilan is the correct answer for this. Okay, D, for tanning leather and for dyeing purpose. Acha, this deciduous tree is exclusively found in Karnataka. Karnataka is well known for this type of tree or the wood, right? Which is actually the sandalwood. Okay, most of the time you'll find these are used in pharmaceutical industries and all that. Various other uses are there. It's very costly also, right? So that's why sandalwood is actually the tree which is basically found in that area. In Karnataka, the forest area is covered with these trees only. Maximum number of these trees can be seen. Okay. Next is trees of this forest have long roots. Which of these vegetations are having long roots? And just think of it how it is getting connected. Long roots कहाँ पर आपको मिलेगा? जहां पर water की scarcity है और जहां पर trees या plants जो हैं they need long roots to actually go deep inside in search of water, right? और अगर आप ये चारों ऑप्शंस देखोगे, डेजर्ट सेमी डेजर्ट फॉरेस्ट, नंबर 2 एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट, डेसिडियस फॉरेस्ट एंड माउंटेन फॉरेस्ट, इन चारों में से सबसे सही, सबसे अप्रोप्रिएट आंसर यहाँ पर है डेजर्ट एंड सेमी डेजर्ट फॉरेस्ट. Okay, so A is the correct one because deserts में because of the lack of water you'll find the roots go very deep. Then next is economically most valuable tree, इनमें से कौन सा सबसे important है? Sandalwood. Okay, then next is question number 10. The wood of this tree is hard, strong, and is used as a fuel by the locals. Which is that? Khair. Okay, khair is that tree. This tree grows in pure strands and are used for making railway sleepers and construction purposes. इसमें से कौन सा ऑप्शन करेक्ट होगा? टीक है, तेंदू है, देन यूकलिप्टस है और साल है. साल इज द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस. ओके, नेक्स्ट, द वुड ऑफ दिस ट्री इज सॉफ्ट एंड इज यूज्ड फॉर मेकिंग मैच बॉक्सेस, toys, packing cases and all. Okay, what is that? Now here the answer is going to be shisham, right? Shisham is the correct answer for this. Two states where myrobalan is commonly found. Next question. In this, you can take the southern states, that is Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Okay, these are the states where you'll find most of the myrobalan in India are found within those areas. Achha, next question. Large areas of this forest is cleared due to urbanization and for agriculture purpose. Okay, this is the most exploited forest of India. मोस्ट एक्सप्लॉइटेड फॉरेस्ट. नाउ मोस्ट एक्सप्लॉइटेड फॉरेस्ट में आप एक चीज आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि जैसे आप यहाँ पर जो हम बात कर रहे हैं कि अर्बनाइजेशन और एग्रीकल्चर पर्पज के लिए हमने एक बड़ा फॉरेस्टेड एरिया जो है वो क्लियर कर दिया है, दैट द डिफॉरेस्टेशन हैज बीन डन इन दैट एरिया. ओके, तो वहां आपको ये रिलेट करना है कि कौन से एरिया में ये चीज ज्यादा होता है, स्पेशली द फुटहिल्स ऑफ हिमालयाज और द प्लेन्स, right? Okay, northern parts of the plains, these are the areas where this particular thing is found. And that's why monsoon forest is actually, monsoon type of vegetation is covering that entire part. And that's why monsoon type of forest will be the correct answer for this. Okay, next है term used for the trees that shed their leaves during April, May, or you can say during a dry season. Okay, now what can be the term for that? Yes, deciduous. We have discussed this earlier also. Deciduous trees or deciduous vegetation is that which you will find because of seasonal rainfall. Okay, ये आपको याद रखना है कि seasonal rainfall जहां भी होगा वहां पर हमेशा, seasonal means the rainfall is there during just a few months. Okay, बाकी के months क्या, उस समय rainfall बहुत कम होता है या बिल्कुल नहीं होता है. So that entire period is almost dry period. Okay, dry spell. तो उस समय कैसे ये trees exist करते हैं, उस समय ये trees अपने आप को कैसे adapt करते हैं उस conditions के लिए, वो वैसे condition में survive करने के लिए. They just shed their leaves during that time. Leaves अगर वो shed down करेंगे तो उससे क्या होगा? Leaves are the main, you can say, organ, right? One such part of a plant which actually has got several stomata, right, through which the transpiration take place. So if the leaves will be going down, right, if they shed down their leaves, that means they are trying to reduce the rate of transpiration. Rate of transpiration reduce करने से क्या होगा? Water will be saved within them. Okay, whatever water is there within the trees, that will be saved. The transpiration rate is reduced in this way, and that's why this particular feature is found in this type of trees. Okay, and what are these called? By what name? Deciduous. Okay, now come to next. Next is the wood of this tree is resistant to white ants and are found in the north, central and northeast India. इसमें आंसर होगा साल. साल is known for, actually it's very hard and it's used generally for construction purpose and all that. Okay, so saal is the correct answer. The bark of this tree, next question, the bark of this tree provides materials for tanning hides and skins of the animals. Okay, answer will be the tree named khair. Okay, that will be the correct answer. Next question is wild dates are common in this type of forest. Okay, wild dates, right? अब dates कहाँ पर मिलता है, इससे आपको relate करना पड़ेगा. Dates मिलते हैं tropical evergreen forest में? नहीं. Littoral, scrub and thorn forest, deciduous forest कहाँ पर आपको मिलेगा? जहाँ पर rainfall कम होता है, desert like conditions होते हैं, तो scrub and thorn forest is the type of forest or vegetation found in the desert areas or the arid and semi-arid regions. तो ये यहाँ पर मिलेगा आपको. C option is the correct one. Okay, next question, question number 19. A tree of mountain forest that is found in the Nilgiri Hills. Nilgiri Hills में इनमें से कौन सा tree मिलता है? Silver pine, silver fir, then cheer pine, then spruce. These are a few trees which are found at very high altitudes. Okay, in cold conditions, right? At very high altitudes. But the fourth one is such a tree which can be found at lower altitudes also. And that's why in Nilgiri Hills, which are not so high, okay, there you can easily find the eucalyptus trees, right? So that is the correct answer. Next, a typical coniferous tree found in the northwest and eastern Himalayas. Northwest and eastern Himalayas, यहाँ पर answer होगा silver fir. Okay, next question, resin and turpentine is extracted from this tree. Resin and turpentine is extracted. तो इसमें से आपका करेक्ट आंसर आएगा चीड़ पाइन, राइट? This is the correct answer for this. Next question, two types of forest commonly found in the Andaman Nicobar Islands. Which one is going to be the correct one? Tidal and mixed, mangrove and desert, evergreen and mangrove, then deciduous and mixed. Because see children, आप लोगों को यहाँ पर कुछ चीजें रिलेट करनी पड़ेंगी, राइट? आपको ये सोचना है, जैसे अंडमान निकोबार आइलैंड्स की बात हो रही है. अंडमान निकोबार आइलैंड्स आर सच एन एरिया विद इन इंडिया where you'll find very heavy rainfall is received almost for long period. Within 1 year, you'll find for long period of time it is getting rainfall and it's quite heavy. This is the reason it is having what type of vegetation? Evergreen type of forest. Okay, and because of island, the coastal part is there where the mangrove forests survive well. Okay, they can grow well. तो मैनग्रोव फॉरेस्ट एक साइड में और एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट, ये दोनों वहां पर एग्जिस्ट करते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस, राइट? नाउ टू हिल्स इन साउथ इंडिया वेयर मिक्स्ड फॉरेस्ट इज फाउंड. Two hills, small hills are there, right, in extreme southern parts near the Kaveri river, and there you'll find the mixed forest can be seen. Nilgiri and Anaimalai hills are there. Okay, next question, the wood of this tree is oily, scented and are used for making railway sleepers. Iska answer hoga devdar. Okay, B is the correct option for this. Next is this forest is widely found in the brackish water, brackish or the coastal area. This is which type of vegetation? Mangrove. Okay, mangrove type of forest you'll find in such areas, right? Brackish water, that means it can even survive in salty water. Brackish means salty water, right? In general children, you'll find कि अगर आप देखोगे कोई भी प्लांट या कोई भी ट्रीज को अगर आप सॉल्टी वाटर डालना शुरू करो उसमें, तो कुछ टाइम के बाद वो मर जाता है. ओके, but this is a type of vegetation which you will find it is something different from the other types. Okay, mangrove type of vegetation can survive in the coastal area. Coastal area means one side it's getting fresh water Okay, the other side, it is actually getting the salty water also of the sea or ocean. That means it can survive in both the conditions. Clear? And that's why the answer for this question will be A, that is mangrove forest. Okay. Next is the wood of this tree is used for making ships. शिप्स के लिए टीक वुड को यूज किया जाता है, जो बहुत ही हार्ड और रेजिस्टेंट होता है. नेक्स्ट है द स्टेट वेयर देवदार इज फाउंड. Which is the state? Out of all these states, you will find Himachal Pradesh is actually covering a major part of the, you can say, uh, the first range of the Himalayas. What are these called? Shivalik ranges. Okay. तो शिवालिक रेंजेस में आपको ये देवदार ट्रीज मिलेंगे, और हिमाचल प्रदेश इज द स्टेट which is going to be the correct option for this. Okay, this tree is used for katha making. Katha making is actually, katha is generally used in पान. पान आपको पता होगा, लोग पान खाते हैं, तो पान में कत्था एक होता है. तो कत्था जो उसमें यूज करते हैं, वो एक टिपिकल एक ट्री होता है, उससे निकालते हैं, उससे मिलता है. तो दैट ट्री इज एक्चुअली खैर. Okay, generally it is a major part of this type of tree is seen in Bihar region. Okay, now come to the next one. Bihar Jharkhand region में ये ज्यादा करके मिलेगा. Next question is question number 29. It acts as a respiratory organ of the mangrove trees. Mangrove trees की अभी हम बात कर रहे थे, जो कोस्टल एरियाज में या स्वाम्पी एरियाज में ज्यादा करके मिलता है. तो वहां उन ट्रीज में रेस्पिरेटरी ऑर्गन की फॉर्म में क्या वर्क करता है? स्टिल रूट, टैंगल रूट, न्यूमेटोफोर्स या अंडरग्राउंड रूट्स? इनमें से सबसे सही आंसर होगा न्यूमेटोफोर्स, ऑप्शन नंबर सी. Right, option C will be the correct one. Next is flowers of this plant are used for making, next question for this will be, the flowers of this plant are used for making wine. Mahua. Yes, mahua flowers are used, and they are used for making the local wine. Okay, and the people consume this in those the Jharkhand region. It's found in large number. A program, next question, a program introduced in 1915 which all the government organizations are to take part. इसमें वन महोत्सव सबसे सही आंसर होगा आपका. ठीक है. Question number 32. A traditional method of cultivation practiced in northeast India. A traditional method of cultivation, okay, practiced in northeast India that poses a great threat to vegetation. आपको याद होगा एक टर्म हमने पहले डिस्कस किया था, जो अब ऑलमोस्ट बैन हो चुका है in most of the countries, right, of the Southeast Asia, because this has become a big problem for the people there, right? उसी एग्रीकल्चरल प्रैक्टिस को हम यहाँ पर मेंशन कर रहे हैं. दैट इज एक्चुअली झूमिंग कल्टीवेशन. It is also called झूमिंग cultivation. It is also called as shifting cultivation, right? It is called by different names. In slash and burn is the other name of it. तो यहाँ पर झूमिंग, the option A will be correct one. Okay. Next question is NGO movement for the protection of forest. What will be the correct answer? Correct answer will be yes, reforestation, चिपको मूवमेंट, वन महोत्सव या सोशल फॉरेस्ट्री. चिपको मूवमेंट. चिपको मूवमेंट क्या था, इसके बारे में थोड़ा आपको जानना जरूरी है. इसमें लोकल लोगों ने इनिशिएटिव लिया. दे यूज टू hold the tree by their hands, okay, and they just ask the people कि पहले आप हमें मारोगे, तब फिर आप हमारे ट्री को काटोगे. Okay, and this is how they actually saved the entire forested area. For that only this is called by the name Chipko movement. Okay. Acha, next question is one medicinal plant grown commercially. This is actually cinchona, right? Quinine is actually the medicine taken out of it. Then next is a scheme in which 2 saplings are planted for every tree fell. एक ट्री अगर गिरता है या उसको काटा जाता है तो उसकी जगह पे 2 सैपलिंग्स नए प्लांट किए जाते हैं, नए छोटे छोटे पौधे प्लांट किए जाते हैं, उसको हम बोलते हैं रीफॉरेस्टेशन। मतलब पहले से फॉरेस्ट था वहां पे, फॉरेस्ट हैज बीन क्लियर्ड आउट, और उसकी जगह पे उसको रिप्लेस हमने कर दिया, राइट, अगेन प्लांटेशन हैज बीन डन, उसको बोलते हैं रिफॉरेस्टेशन। जब कोई भी एरिया में कोई फॉरेस्टेड एरिया नहीं है, वहां पर हम प्लांटेशन करते हैं, तो उसको बोलते हैं एफॉरेस्टेशन, right? This is a difference between the two. Afforestation is where forest was not there earlier, so we have taken that land area and we are planting the trees, but यहाँ पे हम बात कर रहे हैं reforestation, ठीक है? तो B option is the correct one. Then next, root that helps mangrove trees to stand against tides in shifting mud. First one is the correct one, stilt and tangled root, okay, that holds the tree to remain there in such conditions, okay. Next है question number 37. The leaves of these trees are used for rearing shellac worms, and the answer will be palas. Okay, palas tree के जो leaves होते हैं, that is used for this purpose. Next question. The root and bark of this plant have medicinal value to treat malaria. मलेरिया के लिए कौन सी ट्री का रूट और बार्क यूज किया जाता है? सिंकोना, अभी जस्ट पहले वाले पोर्शन में हमने डिस्कस किया था। क्विनाइन इज द मेडिसिन विच इज मेड आउट ऑफ इट, ओके। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 39. इट इज यूज्ड फॉर मेकिंग स्पोर्ट्स गुड्स, देवदार एंड विलो. Now, willow is actually more commonly used for this purpose. So D option is going to be the correct one for this, right? Question number 40. Season wood of this tree is resistant to white ants and doesn't corrode iron nail. इसमें correct answer होगा teak. Okay. Option D is the correct one, right? Then next question for this is two areas where virgin forest is found. Virgin forest is found in generally remote areas where the people have not reached till now. Okay, they are totally untouched for commercial purpose or for any other purpose. Deforestation has not been done. They are totally untouched. So that's why that is called virgin forest. And remote parts of Himalayas and Sundarban region, okay, Sundarban forest, that entire area is actually the correct answer. Out of all these four options, option C is the correct one. Next question is, this tree is found in pure strands in northern, central and northeastern India. Pure strands में आपको साल मिलेगा, ठीक है? That means deciduous type के vegetation में. Next question, it is used for dyeing cotton, wool, silk and all. For this, the answer will be fruit of Marobalan. Marobalan की हमने पहले भी बात की थी. Marobalan is actually used for dyeing for all the cotton and wool, for textile purpose also, right? This tree yields gum. What is that? खैर. खैर का जो ट्री होता है उससे गम भी लिया जाता है, right? Then tropical rainforest is not used commercially. Tropical rainforest जो है वो commercially कम यूजफुल है एज कंपेयर टू ट्रॉपिकल डेसिडियस टाइप. ये एक गिव रीजन भी अक्सर आता है बच्चों, तो ये आपको जानना जरूरी है क्या मेन इसका रीजन है. सबसे पहली चीज, ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट जो हम बात कर रहे हैं, ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट या ट्रॉपिकल एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट, इसमें आपको हमेशा डेंस अंडरग्रोथ्स मिलेंगे, राइट? जैसे फॉरेस्टेड एरिया, फॉरेस्ट ट्रीज आर देयर, along with that undergrowths are there, too much of undergrowths, so movement becomes difficult in that. That is one point. Number two is that they are actually not found in pure strand, they are found in mixed strand, means number of different type of trees, okay, different varieties are found at one place. So when we have to take out one particular type of tree, we need, for that purpose we need to search for it in different areas, right? Because different species are present there at one place. But as compared to this, अगर आप देखोगे ट्रॉपिकल डेसिडियस टाइप फॉरेस्ट या ट्रॉपिकल मॉनसून टाइप जो हम बोलते हैं यहाँ पे, उस फॉरेस्ट को अगर आप कंपेयर करोगे, दैट इज मोर इकोनॉमिकली या कमर्शियली इट इज मोर यूजफुल. उसका रीजन क्या है? वहां पर एक तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट जो अभी हमने यहाँ डिस्कस किया वो उसमें नहीं मिलेगा आपको, ठीक है। अंडरग्रोथ बहुत कम मिलेंगे, राइट। क्रीपर्स या छोटे छोटे बुशेस एंड ऑल, दे आर फाउंड वेरी लेस इन नंबर, एंड मोर ओवर that is actually having a pure strand, means the trees are present in pure strand, means at one place you will find the same species of plants and trees can be seen. तो वो easy हो जाता है commercially, मतलब it becomes quite useful then to actually take out from there the wood, right? So ये इसका correct answer हो जाएगा C, right? Next question है, this belt of forest is found along the Shivalik range. करेक्ट आंसर होगा मॉनसून फॉरेस्ट। मॉनसून फॉरेस्ट या सेम थिंग विच वी डिस्कस इन द अर्लियर पार्ट ऑफ द शिवालिक रेंजेस पे आपको बेसिकली मॉनसून फॉरेस्ट या डेसिडियस फॉरेस्ट का वर्ड मिलेगा, राइट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट ग्रो वेल इन एरियाज रिसीविंग rainfall 200 and beyond that, that means 200 and more than that, okay. So A is the correct answer. Number 2, which of the following vegetations is supported by wet marshy deltaic soils? Mangrove forest, okay. Next question, which among the following natural vegetation is most predominant in India? Tropical deciduous type forest, right. Then ebony, mahogany, rosewood trees are grown in which of the following forests? Tropical rainforest is known for it, right? Then next is acacia is found in tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous, tropical thorn forest, या montane forest. Acacia tree is actually like kikar, babool, these are the trees belonging to this category. So this is a tree found in tropical thorn forest, okay? Generally found in the desert areas where the rainfall is less, right? Next question, question number 52 is, which of these states in India has comparatively more forest cover? अब ये चार ऑप्शंस आपके पास हैं, इनमें से आपको सही ऑप्शन देना है। मिजोरम, मिजोरम हैज गॉट कंपैरेटिवली लार्जर एरिया अंडर फॉरेस्ट कवर, ओके। Then next is, which one of the following types of vegetation does rubber belong to? टुंड्रा, टाइडल, हिमालयन या ट्रॉपिकल एवरग्रीन? ट्रॉपिकल एवरग्रीन। रबर कल्टीवेशन आपने देखा होगा, रबर कल्टीवेशन किया जाता है साउथ में, in the southern parts of India. Rubber cultivation, basically Kerala and all these states, Karnataka, Kerala are known for it, right? So these states generally have high temperature and heavy rainfall. Both these things are seen there. So this actually is the reason why the rubber cultivation, rubber is actually considered as the tropical deciduous type of tree, right? And in southern part, because of heavy rainfall, it belongs to the tropical rainforest. Now the next chapter we have to start is the water resources. Water resources mein aap dekhoge, first question, let's have a quick revision of this, right? Which is not a source of fresh water? Glaciers, groundwater, surface runoff, या oceans? Oceans, right? Fresh water or salt water आपको clear होना चाहिए. Fresh water is that which is pure, right? Which we can drink. Okay, it's not salty. Next question, Bhakra Nangal River Valley project is made on the river Satluj and Beas River. Okay, that is the correct answer for this. Rana Pratap Sagar Dam is located in Odisha, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, Andhra. Answer, correct answer iska hoga Rajasthan. Okay. How much of Earth's surface is covered with water? 3/4 of it. Right? 3/4 of it, almost 70% of it. Then which is the most popular means of irrigation in India? Well is the most popular means of irrigation. Okay, especially in the northern plains. Rooftop rainwater harvesting is a technique to recharge groundwater. Okay, two purposes are there. One is to save water for future use, okay, to provide water for different purposes. And second purpose behind this is actually to recharge the groundwater in the water table, underground water table. Okay. Next question. Rajasthan Canal is drawn from this multi-purpose project. इन चारों प्रोजेक्ट्स में से, चारों जो मल्टीपर्पज प्रोजेक्ट हैं, इनमें से कौन सा प्रोजेक्ट है जिससे राजस्थान कनाल या इंदिरा गांधी कनाल बोलते हैं इसको, ये निकाला गया है वहां से? दैट इज एक्चुअली भाखड़ा नंगल डैम. Okay, Bhakra Nangal project. Which of these statements is not an argument in favor of multi-purpose river valley projects? कौन सा नहीं है, राइट? यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल चिल्ड्रन। एक बार मैं फिर आपको ये बात बता रही हूँ, क्योंकि एग्जाम में अक्सर ये चीजें होती है कि आपने जल्दी जल्दी आपने पूरा स्टेटमेंट पढ़ा, क्वेश्चन पढ़ा, बट उसमें नॉट जो लिखा है उसको ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस देना है। क्योंकि रीजन ये है, आप अगर नॉर्मल एज ए स्टेटमेंट आपने पढ़ा, नॉट नहीं ध्यान दिया, तो आप उसका आंसर कुछ और ऑप्ट कर दोगे उसमें, राइट? बट यहां पर क्या है, विच ऑफ दीज स्टेटमेंट्स इज नॉट एन आर्ग्यूमेंट? ओके, अब आप देखो इसमें ऑप्शंस क्या हैं। फर्स्ट इज दे ब्रिंग वाटर टू दोज एरियाज विच सफर फ्रॉम वाटर स्कैसिटी, right? Number two, they regulate water flow to help in controlling floods. Number three, they lead to large scale displacements and loss of livelihood, right? Number four, they generate electricity for our industries and our homes. मतलब आपको इनमें से कौन सा सही नहीं लग रहा? इसमें आपको दे लीड टू लार्ज स्केल डिस्प्लेसमेंट, ओके, एंड लॉस ऑफ लाइवलीहुड। जो हम मल्टीपर्पज रिवर वैली प्रोजेक्ट्स के फेवर में जो पॉइंट्स रखते हैं, ये उसके अगेंस्ट है, राइट? तो ये आपका करेक्ट ऑप्शन होगा यहाँ पर, ऑप्शन सी। देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट एन एडवर्स इफेक्ट ऑफ इरिगेशन? Which is not an adverse impact of irrigation? Again, not an adverse impact, right? तो यहाँ पर आंसर आपका हो जाएगा increases crop yield. This is not an adverse impact, right? बाकी सारे आप देखोगे जो adverse effect है, मतलब उसका negative effect उससे डेवलप होता है, बट increases crop yield, this is something positive. तो ये आपका आंसर यहाँ पर डी ऑप्शन करेक्ट होगा, ठीक है? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है क्वेश्चन नंबर 10। इन वेस्टर्न राजस्थान टुडे प्लेंटी ऑफ वाटर इज अवेलेबल ड्यू टू पेरिनियल राजस्थान कैनाल, राइट? अच्छा, नेक्स्ट है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्ट्रक्चर्स आर नोन एज टंकाज? टंका, right? This is actually underground tank for storing rainwater harvested from rooftops for drinking purpose. Okay, so in Rajasthan and the western side actually of the arid regions, you will find this type of practice was being done. This is a type of rainwater harvesting. Okay, so that is tanka. Clear? Next is which of the rainwater harvesting system is shown in this picture? Is it recharge pit? Is it recharge trench, rooftop rainwater harvesting, or bunds of slopes? B is the correct answer. Recharge trenches. Okay, trenches बना करके और उसमें water जब store किया जाता है, it is actually remaining there in all the trenches. So slowly and slowly it seeps down. Okay, and when it seeps down inside, right, ultimately it reaches to the underground water table. Right? This is the purpose of it. Next is this mode of irrigation is commonly found in, what is this mode? First of all, you should know this. This is tank. Okay. So tank irrigation के लिए एक चीज आपको जानना बहुत जरूरी है बच्चों। देखो, मेन सोर्सेज ऑफ इरिगेशन हमारे क्या हैं इंडिया में जो हम कॉमनली यूज करते हैं? नंबर 1 इज कनाल, नंबर 2 इज वेल, नंबर 3 ट्यूबवेल एंड नंबर 4 इज टैंक। ये कॉमनली यूज्ड मेथड्स हैं जो इंडिया में ज्यादा करके यूज करते हैं फॉर इरिगेशन पर्पस। ओके, अब इसमें कनाल और वेल्स के लिए अगर आप देखोगे, हमेशा नदर्न प्लेन्स आर द मोस्ट सुटेबल एरिया वेयर दीज आर मोर इन यूज। उसके रीजंस क्या हैं? उसके रीजंस ये, क्योंकि इससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस अक्सर आते हैं बच्चों, तो ये आपको जानना जरूरी है। वेल के लिए हमें नदर्न प्लेन्स में क्यों दैट एरिया इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट? बिकॉज दैट एरिया हैज गॉट सॉफ्ट सॉइल वेयर वी कैन इजिली डिग आउट। नंबर 1 पॉइंट। नंबर 2, फॉर वेल वी नीड अंडरग्राउंड वाटर टेबल शुड बी हाई, okay, which is there in the northern plain area, right? So these two basic points are there. What about the canals? Canals, again, similar thing is there. For canal, for construction of it, we need a large area which is having flat surface, which we can find in the northern plains, right? A vast plain surface area which is used for agriculture purpose. Okay, first thing. Second thing is that it is made up of soft soil which can easily be dig out for construction of canals. So again, that is important, right? For tube well, अगर आप देखोगे ट्यूब वेल के लिए भी नदर्न एरिया इंपॉर्टेंट है, नदर्न रीजन, स्पेशली नदर्न प्लेन्स में भी, वेस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ नदर्न प्लेन्स। क्योंकि वहां पर आपको जो ग्राउंड वाटर टेबल जो है वो काफी हाई मिलेगा. नंबर टू इज दैट इट नीड्स इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम, राइट? तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी सप्लाई, रेगुलर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी सप्लाई आपको वेस्टर्न साइड में ज्यादा अच्छा मिलेगा. दैट इज पंजाब हरियाणा रीजन या वेस्टर्न यूपी. देयर यू विल फाइंड कांस्टेंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी सप्लाई इज देयर. तो वो एक और पॉइंट हो गया, राइट? एंड नंबर थ्री इज दैट इट इज सराउंडेड विद एग्रीकल्चरल फील्ड्स वेयर इट कैन फुल्ली बी यूटिलाइज्ड. ठीक है, ये पॉइंट्स हो गए. अब टैंक इरिगेशन की जब हम बात करते हैं, टैंक इरिगेशन इज मोस्ट कॉमनली यूज्ड इन southern region or the peninsular region. One big reason for that is there the other means of irrigation are not much used because of the rocky surface. ओके, कंस्ट्रक्शन अगर हम करना भी चाहेंगे कैनाल्स का या वेल का ट्यूबवेल का, इट विल बी क्वाइट एक्सपेंसिव. मोर द ग्राउंड वाटर टेबल इज वेरी लो. These are the basic reasons why the other means are not used. What about tank then? Tank is generally, it is storing water in several undulated land area is present in southern region. Okay. Moreover, the surface is rocky. Because of that rocky surface, water doesn't seep down. Okay. And this is the reason. And seasonal rainfall further helps in that. तो वेन एवर रेनफॉल इज देयर, वो छोटे छोटे जो लो लाइंग एरियाज है वहां पर वाटर एक्यूमुलेट हो जाता है, और वही वाटर जो है वहां पर फार्मर्स यूज करते हैं फॉर इरिगेशन पर्पस, एंड दैट इज ओनली कॉल्ड द टैंक, राइट? तो यहां पर कौन सा बेस्ट ऑप्शन होगा? द स्टेट विच इज लाइंग इन द पेनिनसुलर रीजन, द सदर्न पार्ट्स. ओके, आंध्र प्रदेश इज द करेक्ट आंसर, डी ऑप्शन, right? Now next question, the most expensive means of irrigation in India. Sprinkler irrigation is the most expensive means, and that's why it is not, till now it is not being used in large part of India. Okay, in still a very limited area you will find this is in use. Okay, advantage of inundation canals is, अब इसमें एडवांटेज आपको देना है. एडवांटेज क्या हो सकते हैं? यूजफुल फॉर कंट्रोलिंग फ्लड्स because it is basically using the flood water. Number two, these are very cheap. Okay, construction becomes quite easy. Number three, they help in conserving soil, right? They help in conserving soil, unlike the perennial canals. These are the plus points of, or you can say the advantages of the inundation canals, right? Next, the only state which has made rooftop rainwater harvesting structure compulsory to all the houses. This is an important question again. इंडिया में एक स्टेट ने इसको कंपलसरी कर दिया है कि जब भी कोई हाउसेस कंस्ट्रक्शन होगा, ठीक है, कोई भी हाउसेस का कंस्ट्रक्शन या कोई भी घर, जैसे हम कोई भी घर बनवा रहे हैं, तो उसमें इट इज मेड मस्ट, इट इज नेसेसरी दैट वी हैव टू follow the rainwater harvesting structure in that, right? We should have that. And which is that state known for this purpose? It is Tamil Nadu, राइट? वहां पर हर घर में आपको जो है रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग स्ट्रक्चर मिलेगा. Okay, they store water for the future purpose because they are just getting rainfall for a particular season, right? It's seasonal and just for a few months, so they store water for that purpose. Next is bamboo drip irrigation is prevalent in which of the following states? Generally in the hilly areas, right? Rajasthan, no. Meghalaya is the correct answer. Not Karnataka, neither it is Madhya Pradesh. Meghalaya is the correct answer for this. Next question, major source of fresh water in India is rainfall, groundwater, atmospheric water, river water. Correct answer is groundwater, right? Next question, the average distribution of rainfall in India is about, it is about 110 centimeters. Okay. India's rainfall is concentrated over a period from, basically what is actually the main rainy season, what we are experiencing in India, that is also called by the name monsoon season. And that is during the, from June to September months. Okay. Next, the most efficient mode of irrigation is, the most efficient mode of irrigation is drip irrigation. Okay. Next question is, who described dams as the temples of modern India? It is, he was actually the Prime Minister of India, right? First Prime Minister, and that Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He described dams as the temples of modern India. and these are very important for the development of our country. Next question, well irrigation system is prevalent in especially Uttar Pradesh is the correct answer for this. Underground tanks seen in Rajasthan to store rainwater for drinking is called tankas. Abhi pehle humne discuss kiya hai ye. In which of the following regions people built gulls and kuls for irrigation? For this, correct answer is going to be the Western Himalayas. Okay. Government of Andhra Pradesh has set up a water conservation mission in the name of, yes, यहाँ पर आंसर होगा बच्चों नीरू मीरू. Okay, this is one of the mission which was started in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, Niru Miru. Then next is question number 27. Watershed development project sponsored by the central government and executed by the Gram Panchayats with the help of people's participation. It was Haryali, right? Please mark it. This is an important question for you. Haryali, right? Next, even when water is available in many cities in abundance, why is there water scarcity? Because unequal distribution of water is there. Okay, whenever there is the rainfall we receive, always the rainfall received is unequally distributed all over, and that is why we need to conserve water. The water scarcity problem is actually faced by the people there, right? Next question, agricultural fields which are used as rain storage structure are called khadans or johards. Okay, these are the questions for it. Next question, what percentage of total volume of world's water is held oceans exists as soil moisture, remains frozen in ice caps, and is found floating in the atmosphere? It is actually the 99.7% of it. Okay. Now, children, this is all with this set of questions, right? And in the next video, I will come again with a new practice paper with several MCQs in that. Okay. और तब तक आप इन क्वेश्चंस के साथ में अपना रिवीजन अच्छे से आप कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? And till the time we meet again, just practice it well and prepare for your boards. And don't forget to share the link of this video with your friends and classmates. Okay, so see you soon in the next video. Till then, bye.